mirror talk and morning confidence rituals, simple routines with affirmations, du'as, and positive identity building in the morning. Every morning is a blank page in your child's story. What if the first words written were filled with faith, confidence, and love? The way your child starts their morning shapes how they see themselves, and how they show up in the world. Why morning confidence rituals matter. Children absorb identity from repetition. Morning affirmations plus du'as build a positive lens before the day even begins. When they see themselves through Allah's love, not just the world's approval, they walk with strength. The Prophet taught us to begin our day with remembrance. In the morning and evening, remember Allah often. Qur'an 33, 41, 42. Practical tools. The mirror talk. Stand with your child in front of the mirror. Teach them to say, Alhamdulillah for who I am. Allah made me special and strong. Today I will be kind and brave. A tip. Keep affirmations short, rhythmic, and linked to Allah. Dua ritual. Teach simple morning duas like, Allahumma inni as'aluka khayra hadha al-yawm. Oh Allah, I ask you for the good of this day. Pair it with placing their hand over their heart. Identity. Help them name their strengths. I am gentle. I am helpful. I love Qur'an. This roots confidence in action, not just empty praise. A movement plus dhikr. While brushing teeth or dressing, chant simple dhikr rhymes. Subhanallah, new day bright. Alhamdulillah, heart feels light. Model it as a mom. Let them hear you say, Bismillah, today I choose patience. Speak aloud your own mirror dua, showing them adults need confidence from Allah too. Praise effort. I love how you remembered your dua today. The Prophet said, the most beloved of deeds to Allah are those that are consistent, even if small. Bukhari and Muslim. Small morning rituals done daily build lifelong faith and confidence. These rituals aren't just routines, they are seeds. Seeds of tawakkul, self-worth, and courage. When your child learns to face the mirror each morning saying, Allah made me enough, they step into the world unshaken by comparison. Strong hearts begin with strong mornings. Dear Mama, you are your child's first mirror. Reflect faith, reflect love, reflect strength. Together, let's raise children who see themselves through Allah's eyes. Follow for more Muslim parenting gems.